Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip through Johnson City, Tennessee on US Highway 11E. We begin at mile 99 at a junction with Interstate 26, and as we pass the off-ramp, we pick up concurrencies with State Route 36 and yet another split highway US-19W. We're on North Roan Street for the moment, which is divided by a median and has 3 lanes in each direction here. Here, US-11E veers off to the right, along with 19W and State Route 34, and this becomes the Bristol Highway. Looking back at historical maps, these 3 highway numbers were assigned to the Bristol Highway here as far back as 1935. We enter Sullivan County while remaining in Johnson City. The county is part of the Kingsport-Bristol, Tennessee, Virginia Metropolitan Statistical Area and has a population of 158,163 as of the 2020 census. The county was named for John Sullivan, a patriot general in the Revolutionary War. We enter Bluff City, which had a population of 1,822 as of the 2020 census. Before officially incorporating as Bluff City on July 1, 1887, the town went through multiple name changes. It started out as Choates Ford, then became known as Middletown. When the East Tennessee, Virginia, and Georgia Railroad was constructed, crossing over Holston River where the town stood, it was named Union. In the midst of the Civil War, it was briefly called Zollicoffer in honor of Confederate General Felix Zollicoffer. However, after the war concluded, it reverted to the name Union until adopting its current name in 1887. Starting January 1, 2010, the Bluff City Police Department set up a speed camera along US-11E, which apparently handed out 1,662 tickets within its initial 6 months. The town shares the proceeds with the camera's operator. By 2014, they anticipated earning under $100,000 from these cameras. However, in the town's financial plans for fiscal year 2017, they projected a revenue of $600,000 specifically from speed cameras. This figure marked the most significant source of income for the city, accounting for 35% of the total operating revenue. Back in 2010, Brian McCrary, a resident of Gray, Tennessee, purchased the expired police department website when the police failed to renew it. He utilized this platform to share details about contesting camera tickets. Due to a lack of understanding about website management, the police assumed that their site had been hacked. Despite attempts to negotiate for the domain name's control, they were unable to regain ownership. We didn't observe a speed camera, so the camera may not be in operation anymore. It's a good thing that they don't have red light cameras because, as you may have noticed, we blew through one just as we entered the city limits. We conclude our video at mile 109.5 as we enter the city of Bristol, Tennessee. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.